Hi everyone, welcome back to Digital Partners. In today's video, we are going to show you how to transfer money from your PayPal account to a bank account quickly and easily. Let's get started. Once you open the PayPal app, you will see your current balance at the top. If you want to move that money to your bank, here's how you do it. First, make sure you have already linked your bank account or debit card to PayPal. To check that, go to the bottom menu and tap on Wallet. Here you'll see your linked accounts. If you haven't added one yet, tap on Add New and choose either bank account or debit or credit card. Follow the steps to complete the process. Now go back to the home screen and tap on your PayPal balance. Then tap the Transfer button. You'll see two options, Transfer to Bank or Send Abroad. Choose Transfer to Bank. Next, you'll be asked to choose between an instant transfer, which usually charges a small fee, although right now it might be a promotion, so there's no fee, or a standard transfer that can take 1 to 2 business days. For this example, we are going to choose the instant option since we are in a hurry. Now select the bank account you want to transfer the money to. Then choose the amount you want to send. You can transfer your full balance or tap the pencil icon to enter a custom amount. In this case, we are transferring everything. Tap Transfer, and your transaction will be processed successfully. And that's it. Now you know how to move money from PayPal to your bank account in just a few simple steps.
We hope this tutorial was helpful. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you won't miss our upcoming tutorials. Thanks for watching Digital Partners, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.